Hey guys, welcome back. Raymond here from Bulldog Abrasives, and today I'll be showing you two Hsutech pneumatic ratchets. One is a 2-in-1 short ratchet and one is a heavy duty adjustable head ratchet. Let's get into it. The 2-in-1 pneumatic ratchet can take a 3/8 socket as well as your normal hex screws. And despite its compact size, it punches 47 Newton meters of torque. The heavy duty pneumatic adjustable head was designed and engineered with versatility and performance. This ratchet is a 1/2 inch with an adjustable head in either direction to 30 degrees. It kicks out 95 Newton meters of torque. It also has variable speed control and is a very comfortable design. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the Hsutech range, please like and subscribe. Thank you.